Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Tubi's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Tubi's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubitv.com and make a search. The official page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. Sign into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Tubi will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on Account Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Delete Account option. Choose an option on how Tubi's can improve or else skip the process. Enter your password to delete your account and tap on Delete. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can delete your Tubi's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.